In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add boxes, also known as package presets, in Shippo. Whether you're an online retailer or someone who frequently ships packages, knowing how to efficiently save your package dimensions can save you both time and effort when preparing your shipments. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Shippo into the search bar. Once the search results appear, look for the link that leads to goshippo.com. It should be among the first few results. Click on that link to navigate to the Shippo website. Once you're on the Shippo homepage, you'll see various options, but what you need to do is click on the Login button. Enter your account details to access your dashboard. After you're logged in, you'll find a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Clicking on this will open up various configuration options, customizing different aspects of your Shippo experience. Look to the left of the screen where you'll see a navigation bar. Search for the option labeled Packages and select it. You're now in the Packages section. Here, you'll want to focus on the Package Templates area. This is where you can add your own custom package presets. Locate and click on the button that says Plus New Template. This will allow you to create a new package preset according to the specifics of your shipping needs. You will be given two choices: custom dimensions or carrier-provided parcels. If you're planning to use boxes or packaging materials that you have on hand, select Custom Dimensions. If you are using parcels provided by your carrier, choose the corresponding option. Let's dive a bit deeper into the Custom Dimensions setting. You'll be prompted to select the type of package you're using. This could be a box, a tube, or perhaps a poly mailer. Choose the appropriate option based on your shipment. Next, input the dimensions of your package, such as length, width, and height. Don't forget to enter the weight if you have it, although this step is optional. Finally, make sure to give your template a memorable name. This will make it easily identifiable later. For those opting for carrier-provided parcels, you'll see a drop-down list. Simply select the parcel you intend to use. If you plan to regularly use this package preset for your shipments, you might want to set it as your default template. You can do this by checking the box that allows you to set it as the default for label purchases. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked that everything is correct, click on Save Template. By doing this, you ensure that all the details are stored in Shippo for future use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add boxes or package presets in Shippo, making your shipping process more efficient.